Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today we're going to talk about how to grow and care for coneflowers. Let's get started. Introduction to coneflower. Native to North America, the coneflower is a hardy wildflower plant within the daisy family that blooms in midsummer. Its name references its center, which is shaped like a cone. It also has a hairy stem, black roots that emit a strong smell, long leaf stalks, and basal leaves in various colors, such as purple and yellow. When and where to plant it. The advantage of coneflowers is its hardiness towards drought and heat, so it's very forgiving and easy to maintain, even for beginners. The blooming time is about 60 to 90 days, and it performs well in sunny environments. Avoid planting it in shady zones because its stems and leaves are vulnerable to powdery mildew when growing in insufficient sunlight, an average of 6 to 2 hours a day. In your planting spot, loosen the soil to about 15 inches and mix the seeds in aged manure or compost to facilitate healthier growth. If you're planting coneflowers you bought from a nursery, plant them when they are still small, with the best time being the early summer or late spring after the last frost is over. Their germination will take about 4 weeks, while the leaves will begin showing at around 12 weeks. When starting the seed germination process, you can start it indoors and transplant it outside once its height reaches 2 inches. In this case, start them about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. How to plant coneflowers. 1. Measure the diameter of the pot you will be using and dig a hole almost twice this length. Ensure the soil surface and the root ball is level when you set the plant. 2. Fill the pot until the root ball's upper surface. 3. Space the flowers between 1 and 3 feet. The wider it is, the more chance they'll have at maturity. Water them very well. 4. Spread compost in a thin layer and mulch it to prevent weeds and keep the soil moist. How to care for it. Favorable growth conditions. The best care strategy for your coneflowers is adding small amounts of fertilizer during the spring months and watering the flowers every week. An inch of water weekly is enough. You can also prune the flowers' heads to encourage the plant to produce more, although this is optional if you want them to reseed. When watering, always do so at the soil level, never from above, because this results in fungal diseases developing on the leaves. If you see pests, use a neem oil spray or insecticidal soap solution as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.